Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking into Paul Kevin Curtis, the Elvis impersonator who made headlines when he was falsely accused of sending ricin-laced letters to President Obama. After being cleared, what has become of him? Let's find out. Paul Kevin Curtis is an Elvis Presley impersonator from Tupelo, Mississippi. He became embroiled in a major scandal in 2013 after being accused of mailing letters containing ricin to Barack Obama and other U.S. officials. Curtis maintained his innocence, claiming he was framed by his longtime rival, James Everett Dodgeker. Investigators later determined that Curtis was not responsible for the poison letters. The case shifted to his adversary. Curtis was released, and his name was publicly cleared. His story has since been revisited in the Netflix docu-series, The Kings of Tupelo, where he delves into his life, the conspiracy he believes he uncovered, and how the ordeal affected him. Where is Paul Kevin Curtis now? As of now, Curtis keeps a relatively low profile in Mississippi. He still occasionally performs and posts videos of himself singing on social media. According to his own fundraising efforts, he has expressed a desire to move away from his hometown for a fresh start, citing ongoing harassment and safety concerns. Paul Kevin Curtis's life changed forever when he was accused of a crime he didn't commit. Though he was exonerated, the experience left deep scars and a renewed mission to tell his side of the story. Thanks for watching the video. If you found this update meaningful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Where Are They Now stories.